Okay, guys, I'm back. So look at this. More stuff to go. All right. Oh my god. Guys, this looks like the K-pop Demon Hunters. Rumi, look. It doesn't have like longer hair. But guys, look. It just looks like Rumi, but she's a mermaid. And the weirdest thing of all, I don't think that this will hold on forever. A 9.8. It is cute. Alright, this and this are sets, but if you know that this is the weirdest, I don't know how. There's stuff online that you can buy, like this. This is the weirdest. Oh my god! This is okay, that's disturbing. We're gonna try to do this. Oh my god, that's hard. This looks so weird. Okay, this is just fine. This is gonna be 2 out of 10. And this is this. So apparently, I don't know where to start. So apparently you did this and play something. It's like doing this. Oh my god. Okay. So the next level I want to get a little wild. Okay. Be careful. Oh my god! That was amazing. Let me do it again. This is actually really fun. Alright. Okay, this is 10 points. 10 points. I love it. I want it. So apparently these are the same one. And what do you think has batteries? And what do you think what doesn't have batteries? Alright? Alright, we're gonna set it up. And alright. So tell me in the comments. This is a Cinnamoroll Poke card and I'm kind of excited. I love Cinnamoroll on Zenir. Okay. Oh my god, guys, look at this. This is so cute. I think I'll give this. So, I recently saw this online and it looks super cute. And I love it. I love it. I want it. Alright. The next is this. Apparently this is a sprayer. I don't know what's for. But this is actually very strong. Look, guys. Look, guys. This too, it was so wet. Yeah. Here. Apparently, you can see out of this. This is apparently a LOL doll theme, but guys, just in case, I'll show you. Alright. See? Can you see, guys? Look. It feels so like I thought LOL dolls don't even look like this. Anyways, I want it. Alright. So this is kind of disturbing too. Look. It's a cat. It's kind of disturbing. Cute, not cute. but you can write Merry Christmas here. Alright, guys, look at this. This is half sandcastle and half bubbles. And guys, look at that. Oh my god. Okay. My dad doesn't like it. Okay. I love it. This, oh my god. This is going to Vietnam with me. Really, I'm going to. So, this apparently is the weirdest thing I ever saw. So, where's Chelsea? So, this is the Chelsea doll. See, guys? You put this. Look. And the very funny part is that it's an eraser. So I'm keep erasing this. Alright guys. So new clip starts tomorrow.